Hello, in front of me I have Lenovo Smartwatch S2 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. So let's wake up the screen. Now swipe right on the screen to scroll through the menu. Find the heart rate widget. This is the one with the heart rate, the bumping heart rate animation. Now I'm gonna place my finger on the sensor and it should detect the heart rate in a second or two. Basically, it should start measuring the heart rate automatically. And once it detects the heart rate, wait for the result. It will take a couple of seconds. But once it's done, the watch will vibrate and the animation will stop and you will see the result. And once you're done, you can simply press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.